So this is a project partly for my web development course, and this is the scope. Feel free to pause and read it. This is the proposed system, some assumptions made, what I intend to use, the credentials that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to quickly populate the database. So if we click here, it redirects us to our install screen. And this is just some of the queries that are run to populate our database with some sample data. Once we do that, I can go ahead now and log in as an admin. Admin 1, 2, 3. Admin section is just our main scaffolding. We can add Healthcenter. Now this data table is what's used throughout the entire application. So this was the Healthcenter management. We have our lookups management. Now the lookup, so the interface is basically the same throughout. We have our patients listing. We have to limit this to 3 minutes. Same thing with roles. So this is where you would come to do all the log in as a doctor 1, doctor 1, 2, 3 as our password. Right, again you can see that the menu has now changed. I can edit my profile as a schedule bookings. Now I can create a booking quickly. I can create multiple bookings actually. So let's say I want to create a booking for the Georgetown Healthcenter. I come in here and I'm going to avail myself for this week. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. I'm going to set the status to pending, and these are the services that are available. So it has created a booking for each one of them with maternity and vaccinations booking. Remember, I'm logged in as admin, so I'm going to see all the bookings. If I were logged in as a particular doctor, I would only be able to see my bookings.